Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your TripAdvisor account. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a profile icon or your account name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, locate the security settings section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or email address where you will receive the authentication codes. Step 5. Verify and save changes. Follow the instructions to verify your phone number or email. Once verified, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your TripAdvisor account and protect your personal information.